Hi guys, I'm Rishabh Chatterjee and today we'll be getting the dents repaired on our car. This is the Santro Zing, and I would like to thank our sponsor GoBumpr for sponsoring this video. And if you want to do any kind of dent repairs or servicing or car washing, detailing, and even for bikes, you can check out their website or you can even download their app. I'll leave the links in the description. And before we start the work actually on this car, let me show you the dents. This is one of the dents you see in the side. Actually hit one of the stones in the side and this is what has happened. And this happened long time back, and you can see some rusting too here. And one more I'll show you, that is little more bigger one. This is the second one and the big one, if you can see. It's actually on the right side. And yeah, this also has been there from quite long time, and I think this is the time to repair it. So now we'll be going to one of the partner garages of GoBumpr. So they have many garages like this which are partnered with GoBumpr in many different cities. You can check out in their app. So one of them is near Ramurthy Nagar. So I'll be going there to get the dents repaired. So yeah, let's get started. Subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon to get regular updates. So we have just reached here, Venus Garage, and first we'll be doing tinkering. Now the person who does the tinkering is not here, he has gone for lunch, so we're waiting for that. And yeah, I'll just show you the other cars here which are getting the dent repaired. Behind me work is going on. The first process is done, that is tinkering. Now this not sure what is it called, but that is going on. Second process, plastering, I think. So for today the work is done. I'll be coming again tomorrow for the painting work. Today the tinkering and the plastering is done. So yeah, I'll come back again tomorrow. Stay tuned. Hi guys, it's day 2 and again we'll be going to the garage for getting the finished work, that is the painting. So yeah, let's start the car and go to the garage. This is how the front is, you can see. This is the side, and they have taken this cap for the color to get the right color. Hi guys, so it's day 3 and normally the work would have got over by yesterday, but because I went late yesterday, so final finishing touches are left, like polishing final. So I'll be going today, and normally if you are going with GoBumpr, they'll only come collect the car and do the process and deliver you back. So it'll be done in 2 days, but because I was going again and making this video, so it became 3 days. So today we'll be going to the shop and getting the final finishes done. So yeah, let's go. This is how it looks today. Almost done. Does not have that full shine that you will see normally, so that is what they'll be doing today. Anyways, already it's looking finished. This is the other side. Floorboard fully proper now. This part also needs that final finishing touch. I've reached the garage and final polishing is left. And this is how the garage looks. So the work is done. I have Mr. Anand. He's from Venus Motors, and they are like one of the partners of GoBumpr. And all the work is done, right?
Yes.
Yes. Final finishing, everything is done. So if you want to do similar kind of work or any kind of car related work from GoBumpr, I'll leave the links in the description. So thank you so much. Yeah, hope to come back again soon for some other kind of work.
Thank you.
Now the work is done and you saw how was it. So I'll let you all judge how was the work done and let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Well, that was the dent repair from GoBumpr. And if you like this video, don't forget to hit on that like button and share this video with your friends too. And if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon. Ting ting. This is Rishabh signing off, and I hope to see you soon in my next video. Bye bye.